Today we are going to visit the Table Mountain. A Table Mountain tour is a highlight for anyone visiting Cape Town, South Africa. Table Mountain is one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering panoramic views of Cape Town, the Atlantic Ocean and the surrounding landscape. Here's what you can expect on a typical tour and when riding the Table Mountain aerial cableway. The tour can be guided or self-guided, and it is easy to do it yourself. Here are some tips for visitors. Go early or late to avoid the crowd. Bring a jacket as it can be windy and chilly even in summer. Buy tickets online to skip the long lines. And if you're adventurous, you can hike up or down. Platyclip Gorge is the most direct route, but it is steep. The balcony is a fantastic location to witness the sunrise or sunset, offering vibrant colors and dramatic light on the landscape. Look out for rock hyraxes, also known as dassies or rock rabbits. These are cute mammals that look like rodents, but are related to elephants. There's also a cafe, gift shop, and plenty of photo ops. In this video, we will be showing you scenery at various viewpoints. Enjoy the stunning and spectacular views as we walk along. Once you're at the top, you can enjoy 360 degrees views of Cape Town, Robben Island, Lion's Head, Signal Hill, and the 12 Apostles. Lion's Head is a mountain in Cape Town, South Africa, between Table Mountain and Signal Hill. Lion's Head peaks at 669 meters above sea level. Signal Hill or Lion's Rump is a landmark flat-topped hill located in Cape Town, next to Lion's Head and Table Mountain. Thank you for watching.